Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Pass TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. And as you guys know, we are behind on this channel with the reviews. I'm going to try and catch up this weekend. I have a lot going on, but I'm going to try, you guys, and catch up this weekend. So today we're going to talk about episode 13 of Ingane's Tembo. But because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to focus on the fight between Usne and the siblings, and then in a different video I will talk about the drama Tirelo, Vuyo, Vicky, Bumelelo, because it's a lot. Okay, listen, you guys, I don't even know why these girls are fighting over a man, number one, and then they're fighting over a man that won't fight for them, and they're fighting over a man that won't even stand up and prevent them from getting into a fight that might actually make them end up in jail. Okay, if my man is not trying to make sure that I don't get into a fight, he is no longer my man when that fight is over. Okay. So I don't know, you guys. Anyway, how do I feel? Because this was a finale, actually. I think this was a finale episode. How I feel about it, you guys. Of course, Snake gave us so much on the show, whether you liked what she was giving or not, she was giving it. And I think that the girlfriends gave us a lot, and which is like, yeah, it is Ingane's team, but the people that are actually not part of the family were the ones that gave us a lot. The girlfriends gave us a lot. Okay, Pumelelo not so much. Pumelelo, I guess he gave us something because it was his girlfriends that were giving. Pumelelo didn't give us much, because even when he is supposed to speak, he's not speaking. Even when he's supposed to stand up and do something, he's not doing something. So Pumelelo didn't give us a lot. Okay. And then there's Abongwe, who is always in the direct session saying, "Kwenzakalani, I'm confused. Kanti, what's going on?" I'm like, girl, why are you not, why are you the one that is not knowing what's happening all the time? Okay. So I do feel like Abongwe, Beno, Lwandle were carried on this show. They really were carried on the show. I don't know if it was intentional on their side that they were not going to do a lot. I know now, I feel like the only time that they get hit and they want to say something is when it has to do with Sneh, because I really feel like they really don't like Usne. Like the sibling dislike, okay? Not like they hate when you hate a stranger, like, but they really just don't like Usne. So Abongwe no Lwandle only participate when it's something to do with Usne. But most of the time Abongwe is saying, "Kwenzakalanda, what the hell is happening here? Like, girl, get it together. You're on a reality show. We need you here." At that part, I'm like, I don't know how many times in the diary where she is saying, "Hey, mina ngazi ukuthi kwenzekani. Wait, how did we get here?" Anyway, you guys, listen, remember that the last episode we ended with Usne saying that because Uyivezandlebe, because she did not go to school, because she does not have her mother, the other siblings take advantage of that. So they are fake, they are pretending. So the others wanted answers. What do you mean we are fake? What do you mean that we are pretending? There is a part, you guys, where Usne says, "Listen, I've said what I said, but as far as the truth is concerned, because everybody knows the truth, but that I am not going to say." Okay, I did wonder what that truth is. I do feel like Usne has things that maybe things that have happened with her and the siblings also know those things, but that maybe if she told us or she said them on the show will give us clarity as to why she feels how she feels as far as her relationship with the siblings is concerned. Okay, now she says that she's holding grudges. She said, "Definitely I am holding grudges," because that's what Mpumelelo was asking her. But are you holding grudges? Okay, it's also, guys, a thing of, when Pumela said, "Are you holding grudges?" I was like, okay, he must be referring to the same thing that Usne was referring to. Because, I mean, maybe Usne, someone might say, Usne just said that for the cameras, so that we all think there's this big thing that the siblings maybe did to her that was so horrible that she hasn't forgotten about. But Umpumelelo asked Usne, "Are you holding grudges?" And I was like, what grudges? What happened? So for me, it confirmed, because there is something that must have happened with Usne and her siblings that she's not talking about, that everything that she's saying, listen, I'm not going to tell you the truth. I will just say this, that everybody is fake and we are pretending as far as our relationship is concerned. Okay, so she said she will go to the grave with the truth. I'm wondering what the truth is, you guys. What do you think happened, guys? Please tell me in the comment section. What do you think happened with Usne and the siblings that that has caused her to hold a grudge against them, and also that she will even say that she will go to the grave with that secret. Okay, now because all it was ulwandle, and guys, like when I say it's ulwandle, no, I don't like Usne. That's what I'm saying. If others are saying other things that have nothing to do with Usne, they're quiet. But when it's Sne, then they are talking. So it was ulwandle saying usijwayela kabi, usijwayela amasimba, sekuyathuwana manje. It was abongwe naye ngalala, tell us ukuthi enesenzeni. And then Uphumelelo, I think Uphumelelo was kind of trying to calm the situation down, but nah, he wanted to know what does Usne mean. Now, Uviki ends up saying, ukuthi, you guys are ganging up on Usne, because at that time it was feeling like a gang up. But I was feeling like also they want the answers, which is what Uabo ended up saying, no. But you guys can't say, because it was Vicky and Nokbonga that were saying the siblings are ganging up on Usne. So she ends up saying, listen, but you can't say we are ganging up on Usne because she said something about us. If somebody accuses you of something, we are fake, we are pretending, and we want to know how that is. How come she thinks that we are pretending? How come she thinks that we are fake? That's what we want to find out. So it's not a gang up. It's because she said that because of us, the siblings. Okay, listen, you guys. I did feel like at that point that it wasn't appropriate for Vicky to get involved. But at the same time, she's at the table. It's hard not to say anything when it's at the table and you see something happening around you. But also, you guys, the cameras are around. So somebody might pick you up for another show. You never know. So you have to take the opportunity to say some things around here. So it's sort of like the audition for Vicky and Nokbonga. So if they're going to sit and just do nothing, they might not be called back next season as a friend of the show or something. So I also keep that in mind. Now, Umpilo, for some reason, she really got irritated with Vicky. She really just disliked the idea of Vicky. I don't know if it's the fact that Vicky was talking too much and saying too much. I don't know if it's because she is now used to Tirelo and Vuyo. Internally, she's fighting that fight. You would see what is Vicky doing here when there is Vuyo and Tirelo. So I really feel like she dislikes Vicky, and she really didn't like the fact that Vicky kept on commenting, because she was even saying, okay, it means this dinner is now not mine, so or something like that. So I do feel like there's tension between Umpilo and Vicky. Okay, now obviously a conversation the whole thing, a fight doesn't get resolved, because Usne, even though she's saying those things, she does not want to elaborate now and say, but what do you mean? The people that are not siblings are feeling like the siblings are getting up on Usne, but they are saying, no, we want an explanation on what she meant. That's all that we want. Okay, so you guys, there was a part where Umpumelelo no Lwandle were whispering to each other. I feel like Umpumelelo, just like I felt last week, because I did feel like last week when they went away to their rooms or whatever, and then they came back, Utirelo was more verbal and more heated in the conversation. I feel like Umpumelelo ngathi uyahlohlana and say, or kind of a situation. It felt like that. Okay, so even when they were sitting at the table, Mpumelelo was whispering to Ulwandle. It's like Mpumelelo doesn't want to participate in the drama, but then there's something that she's doing to push them to say certain things when it comes to Sne, because he was whispering something to Ulwandle, and then he ends up saying, when they were asking abanye ukuthi how nina nihleba ngani ke lapho, he says, but you remember ukuthi Usne has said the same thing that Ulwandle has said, because people had a problem with Ulwandle saying usijwayela amasimba. Okay, so now Mpumelelo was whispering to Ulwandle to say, but Usne said the same thing. So I do feel like Mpumelelo is pushing for people to fight, but he does not want to do it himself, which is very strange. Okay, and listen, you guys, at the end, Below was so disappointed that dinner didn't go her way. Usne was still feeling like she's feeling, and she said she's not going to elaborate. And Dina was an S show, okay? And she's like, listen, you guys, I guess Dina is destroyed now, but this is it. Let's go, okay? Now, it would have made sense really for everybody to just go to bed at that time, but I think that because they really wanted to get a really like good episode as the finale, they just wanted to push the drama. So I was trying to watch out, why is everybody walking out and then they coming back? Because everybody wanted to walk out and be like, we're done with this dinner. It was um messed up, we're going to bed, but everybody kept going out and then coming back, kept going out and then coming back. And at some point I was wondering, is there somebody on the other side of the door that is saying, no, 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 but you haven't spoken about this Hamba, especially when it comes to Tirelo and Vuyo and Vicky? Because at some point, Vicky and Vuyo were leaving, but they came back. So I do feel like I wasn't understanding the going out and then coming back and then going out and then coming back. Maybe they felt like they hadn't really got that really good scene as the finale and they wanted something else. And this was the last dinner. So if they don't get it here, where are they going to get that good scene? So that's why they were going out and coming back. Anyway, after that, I'm going to get into what happened with Vuyo and Tirelo, which is that fight was very strange, honestly, you guys. It really was, but we'll get into that in another video. For now, you guys, tell me what you think about this whole thing of Usne and the other siblings, you guys. Obviously, in the interview that she did, Usne looked like she's just over it. She's laughing at the whole thing, like, oh my God, you guys are going to be seeing this, because she's taping the interview before this episode. So I feel like she's over whatever she was feeling, she's over it. That's the thing about Usne. You would find that the other siblings, maybe they are still wondering what did Sneh mean. Lapu Sneh, and she's over whatever that she was saying. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you thought about this fight in the comment section. I like the video before. Also share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngine Tanda.